What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons. Today I have very big news about the R6. First, let's reveal the bike. So this was a dream come true for me, you guys. I've always wanted the R6. I've always followed it. I've always enjoyed riding it, and finally I got to own one. But today we're actually selling the bike. Another gentleman is going to be picking it up. He's going to enjoy it, and I'm going to be moving on to better things. And I need investment. I need funding for the new Cayenne that we're looking into. So guys, stay tuned. The new Porsche is coming into the channel, so don't miss out. If you haven't subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button, and if you like today's video, also smash the like button. So going back into the R6. So this is my 2003 YZF Yamaha R6 600cc beast, and it's one of the first generation bikes, and I've had mad fun with this vehicle. This bike is pushing out at around 132 horsepower, and it was built as a competition for the Ninja ZX600R and the Suzuki GS600R. One of the very big competitions for all the 600cc vehicles, and the first generation came with very less tune. It didn't have too much power control, and it was raw power getting you on the track. This sort of a super sport bike was what much needed for the track, and Yamaha made sure to build one. It is in no comparison to the new R7 that's come out, pushing at around only 70 to 80 horsepower, but this one is old school and pretty great. So this 600cc engine is complemented with this Micron exhaust, which sounds sick. It is mad. When it lights up, it just feels so good, and at around 6,000 RPM, when you're on the highway, 6 to 8,000 RPM, it sounds brilliant. The exhaust note is so sick. Now let's give her a quick start up and hand over the keys to the new owner. Front with it. Guys, this is Shehzad. He's gonna be the new owner of the R6. Damn, you're tall, bro. So he's gonna be enjoying the R6 from now on, and time to hand over the keys. There you go, bro. Enjoy. I mean, you look good next to the vehicle. It suits you. So that's it, you guys. The R6 done, sold. For the 8 months that we owned it, it was mad fun. I use it as a daily, got me to point A to point B well ahead of time. I had mad fun riding that bike, and I hope Shehzad is going to enjoy it next and ride it safely. Bro, if you're watching this video, always wear a helmet, always wear gloves if possible, ride safe and have a fun one. And in 2 years now, we've turned around 2 vehicles. We're just going to continue experimenting, and hopefully we'll join the Porsche team soon I am looking at the Cayenne. I'm pretty serious about it. So hopefully we'll be picking it up really soon. So if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, smash the subscribe button. And if you like today's video, smash the like button. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.